Y'all, it's your girl Karen. I'm back with another video. Y'all are getting like 3 videos today, so you're blessed. So I'm gonna do a review on my e-file. I have the Subay nail drill set, and I'm gonna be quite honest with y'all. I do not have everything that was in here, so it's gonna be purely off of what I have. So in this, it came with the e-file. It had, you know, the regular bits that come with it. And it also had, what else did it have? It had I think it was a nail brush cleaner. Of course, it comes with the sanding bands. Let me see. Comes with the sanding bands. I got 80, 120, and 180. What else did it come with? It also came with, so okay, it had a foot pedal. It had the e-file hand thingy where you can sit your e-file handle on. And then it came with 3 extra. It came with 3 extra bits along with the regular bits. So this is everything that came in it. It came with a lot, and I don't have all of that. Of course, I have, out of the 120s, I have this many left, and I got this file about a year ago. So it's been going strong for almost a year. Let me go back to it again. Yeah, I purchased this in September. So September 25th, I purchased this. I'm not sure if it was that much the last time. Oh, so it's actually cheaper. When I purchased it, it was $45.99, and now it's $44.99. And it is Amazon Prime. So I'm gonna show y'all my drill. So this is my drill. This is literally how big it is. I also use this drill when I travel. I do want to get a cordless drill for when I travel, but you know, I will make that investment when the time comes. So this is the handheld piece. It's not heavy at all. It's just, it feels normal. It gets plugged into here. Now, hold on. My handpiece got tangled. Ooh, I do not want to drop that. Okay. So, with your handpiece, it is a twistable handpiece. So, okay, so it's a twist lock. So you untwist it. Hold on, it was already untwisted. So, you twist it. You put the bit in, twist it again. And if you try to pull, it's not going to come out. So then, the speeds. This is just when I turn it on. And that's the highest. And the lowest. So when I take that out, here as you can see, this is how you turn it on. A green light will show when it's on. Turn it off, green light's off. This is how you control the speeds. You have a reverse and a forward. Mine's in forward. If you ever want to do your left hand, you can put it in reverse if you're left-handed. At the top, it has where you can place your bits. So holes where you can place your bits. I put the 2 ones that are like, I don't know. So this is the sanding bin. This is what I use to remove gel polish, and then these two are the clean ones, the ones that I use to go around the cuticle area. So in the back, you have where it's plugged up, so it's power source. You have right here where you plug in the foot pedal if you want to use the foot pedal, and then you have this where it's on hand file or foot pedal. So you can switch them up. You can use this to turn it off, and neither one of them will work. What else? I don't know. That's really it. On either side, it has these things, and it had a plastic holder where you could put the holder thing in to where you can hold it on the side. These ceramic bits that I have are Macart, and I like them. But yeah, I think that's it. I've had it for almost a year. It still works. Oh, it's 30,000 RPMs, so 30,000 rotations per minute. It's quiet and low noise. Let's see. It can be used for natural nails or artificial nails. But yeah, that's really it about this drill. I love the drill, and if this one ever goes out, I will buy another one like that. You don't see a lot of people reviewing Subays. It's always Macart. Is basically really, or Koopa, that I always see reviews on. So I did a review for this one. So I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave what kind of drill you use down in the description box or in the comments. And I will put the link to this drill in the description bar. And I will see you guys later. I love you. Bye.